Our project is the nTron city, and the nTron city is made out of story buildings and houses. But to start off, I'll talk about the house. The house has a solar panel which powers up the push button and the buzzer. But the house also has a battery in it. The battery powers up the other components inside, and they also have a wind turbine. Well, we choose these three options because if the battery fails us, we can switch to the wind turbine. If the wind turbine fails us, we can also switch to the solar panel. And we also put the push button and the buzzer to also create awareness as a doorbell. And also for the traffic lights, we put the traffic light in a the traffic light we have here is a four-way traffic light. The traffic light we put the traffic light there so that it can control the cars moving at each direction.
Some challenges we face when building this entrance to wiring. We had problem in wiring the cables to the house, and we had to test the cables. We had to test each cable before using, so that we are sure that the cables are not having any problem and they are in a good state.
Also put the street light so that we can help in pedestrian walk at night. And the street light is more what controls the street light is the LDR, properly known as the light dependent resistor, and also the two transistors and some jumper wires. We use four batteries to make the city function well.